If you've ever struggled to keep your plants alive, you're not alone. The truth is, most people don't fail at plants. They just choose the wrong ones. In this video, I'll show you 5 plants that can truly thrive in your room, even with low light and minimal care. These are perfect for beginners, or anyone who just wants stress-free greenery. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the toughest plants you can own, the snake plant. This plant is almost impossible to kill, which makes it perfect if you're just starting out. It can survive in low light, bright light, and everything in between. One of the biggest mistakes people make is overwatering it. The snake plant actually prefers dry soil, so you only need to water it every 2 to 3 weeks. It stores water in its thick leaves, which is why it's so resilient. Another great thing about this plant is how clean and structured it looks. It fits perfectly into any room. If you want a plant that survives neglect, this is the one. Next, we have the pothos, one of the most popular houseplants in the world. And for good reason. It grows quickly, adapts easily, and looks beautiful in almost any space. Pothos can grow in low light, but it really thrives in medium, indirect light. What makes it perfect for beginners is how forgiving it is. Forget to water it, it'll bounce back. Want to propagate it? It's incredibly easy. Just cut a stem and place it in water. Over time, it creates long, trailing vines that give your room a relaxed, natural feel. It's one of those plants that makes your space look alive. The ZZ plant is another incredibly low-maintenance option. This plant is built to survive tough conditions. It stores water in its roots, which means you can go weeks without watering it. It also tolerates low light extremely well, making it perfect for darker rooms. The leaves are glossy and almost waxy, giving it a very clean and modern look. One thing to keep in mind is that it prefers to be left alone. Too much care can actually harm it. If you're someone who forgets about your plants, the ZZ plant will forgive you. If you want something a little more expressive, the peace lily is a great choice. This plant not only looks elegant, but it also communicates with you. When it needs water, its leaves will droop, and once you water it, it quickly comes back to life. It prefers low to medium light and slightly moist soil. Unlike other plants, it doesn't like to dry out completely. The white blooms add a soft, calming touch to any room. It's a great option if you want something that feels a bit more alive and responsive. Finally, we have the spider plant. This is one of the easiest plants to grow and propagate. Over time, it produces small offshoots, often called baby plants, that you can replant. It adapts well to different light conditions and doesn't require much attention. It's perfect for shelves or hanging pots, where its leaves can cascade naturally. If you enjoy seeing your plants grow and multiply, this one is incredibly rewarding. The key to keeping plants alive isn't doing more, it's choosing the right ones. These 5 plants are not only beautiful, but they're also resilient and beginner-friendly. Start with one, or try all of them. Over time, you'll build confidence and create a space that feels calm, natural, and alive. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned. There's a lot more to learn about plants.